Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You like me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So if you guys know me, you guys know that I don't really vlog too many car meets. Anytime I go to a meet, like I rarely vlog them. But today we're going to this car meet. It's gonna be the Paul Walker anniversary reunion, whatever it is. My boy Junior invited me out, so we're gonna go out there. We're gonna be mingling. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get pretty hectic, possibly pretty crazy and chaotic. You know, it's always the thing is respect the spot, but we're in the Bay Area, man. This is where the sideshows and takeover originated at. So I'm positive we're gonna get some ratchet shit in this video. But the objective for today is to go out and have fun. So y'all already know, man, since we're going to the Paul Walker meet, there is no better chance and time to wear this hoodie than today. I've had this hoodie for hella long. You can already see it's already kind of, you know what I'm saying, it's been probably like 4 years since I had this hoodie. But we got the Fast and the Furious Super, the one Paul Walker drove. We got the Halo on. I'm about to be heading out. I'm about to go wash up the C6. Then we're gonna be meeting up with my boy Junior. Junior got some dope ass cars. Y'all ain't really seen them on the channel, but you know, we've been linking up and chopping it up a few times. If you guys are following in the community center, you guys will see there was a Chevy SS that has a fully built I think 417, 416, 418, one of those built LS3, LSA supercharger. It's a sick car. Y'all see that and a couple other things, but yeah, we'll talk about all that. But let me go get in the C6, go wash this thing, and then we're gonna head to Junior's. Oh yeah, we got my carbon fiber trunk right here. That's for the SC300. We got shit all over the place, kids, and I really need to clean out my garage. I know a lot of y'all was like, bro, what's up? You need to show the 350Z some love. 350Z will be coming back. When I go pick up the SC300, I'm gonna be dropping the LSA 350Z off. That way we can get this wiring situated, because I do want to drive this car. It's like, it's one of my babies, man. I love this car, so I do want to get it back on the channel. So this week is gonna be going to the shop, getting all the wiring fixed. Y'all see the swings thing is here. Finally back, didn't catch on fire on the first drive home, so I should drive this today, honestly. But you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a Bay Area racing meet. Maybe, possibly, you never know, might end up getting some runs in. So if we do, I want to be prepared and bring out my fast shit. So we're gonna be taking the C6. I could take the C5, man, since this is gonna be like, I should take the C5 because I'm giving it away and I ain't really been driving it. C5, C6. But the giveaway's already over. I don't want to be driving something that I'm about to be giving away. What if this shit gets rear-ended or something? Damn, I should bring it as like a last meet. You know what? I'm gonna play it safe and I'm gonna take the C6. I would be hurt if anything happened before I gave that car away to the new owner. I'd be sick. See, as soon as we get here, sorry boys, there are hella people pulling in, but everything literally just got shut down. It's like hell of people supposed to be here. You see everybody way over there and shit. It's supposed to be a huge meet, but don't look like that's happening no more. Jeez, look at this. So my boy Junior I was telling you about, that's his V3 right there. That's gonna be his Chevy SS one I was telling you about that has the LSA. Then he has that C506 back there, and then he also has his F-body. His F-body's nasty. It's like a nitrous car somewhere out here. And they let you using the mic?
You might want to sit in there.
Yo! Everybody! We about to move out of here! Check this! I ain't even gonna say that. Y'all know where to look for the new address. Everybody gotta get the hell out of here right now.
Alright, let's try to switch locations. Ooh, old school Yeezy 500? What's up with the Yeezy 500? What's cracking, bruh? So yeah, this is bruh's Chevy SS. I'm gonna be gapping this in the C6. This is one we're gonna be setting up the race. He's actually doing a giveaway on this, so I entered a couple tickets. I'm trying to win this. Hopefully I do. If I can gap it and win it, that'll be so lovely. And this is actually a C5 I almost bought from him when I was giving away mine. I'm not gonna tell y'all what was done to it, just know this thing is nasty. I'll let him disclose what's all done, but it's insane. You can see I got the C6Z06 brakes, C6Z06 differential, transmission, all this C6Z06 shit's on here, has an F1X, all kind of wild shit. So it was built in New York, so the car's on E85 and meth. That should let y'all know what type of numbers this thing is making. Anywho, let's go jump back in the C-Sizzle. Oh yeah, here goes F-body right here too. You can see it's on slicks and skinnies. This shit's nasty. It's like it runs like a 300 shot or some shit on here. Anywho, let's go. Let's get ready to go. Bruh, there's so many people pulling up to this shit. Dude, it is packed in here. Too bad the police came. Hi, so today we're going to be working on the Mustang, but not this one. Today we're going to be working on the 6.4, getting a few things done, and hopefully making this thing, you know what I'm saying, probably like a good 20% better than what it was, you know what I'm saying? We're just knocking this thing out as percentages, I guess, at this point. So today what I want to do is I want to flip this thing around, get it jacked up, get under here, and I want to swap these arms that are on the 4-link. You guys seen on the last video where I was swapping the QA1 coilovers on, that these arms are all old and crusty. So I did manage to find a complete new 4-link setup. I'm not going to be welding anything on, but I am going to be taking the arms out of that 4-link. Alright, so here are the parts. I told y'all it came with all brackets, but we ain't going to be using none of those. We're pretty much going to be using the lateral arms that triangulate this thing. So hopefully these fit, man. It'll be crazy if I gambled right and got this to work. It has this little hardware right here. If I don't need to weld any of these brackets, I'm hoping that maybe I can keep one of these spacers and use it to space the upper part of that QA1 coilover up. That way it kind of pushes it away from the rear end. That'll be nice if I can get away with doing that. Hopefully I can, but we gonna see. Alright, let me move some cars around. Probably move the C6 over here next to the C5. That way I have this whole little space to work. Alright, so y'all can see this thing is up. This arm right here seems like it's just about the right length. Y'all can see that. This one's already extended, so I'll just have to extend this guy a little bit more. But nigga, what the actual fuck? That ain't gonna work on the bottom or the upper arm. So yeah, what I'll end up probably having to do, and I think that's why they did that on that side. You can see they slugged it. So right here, they cut this, shortened it up, and put it inside of another tube, and redid it. They kept the adjustable side on that side, but pretty sure this is probably the same kit. All they did was shorten that arm up, but the proper way to do it is to slug it. So the way they did this is proper. Now it makes sense on why they did it this way. But you can see these bushings are all shot. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm probably just gonna swap the lower arms for now, and then I'm gonna hit up Janky about slugging these new arms, or maybe I'll just pull these out and stuff these bushings in there or something. These look like the exact same arms, honestly. I don't really see a difference in them at all. right, well, that threw a big monkey wrench into my plans for today. So yeah, I gotta figure out this rear suspension. I'm probably gonna end up having to redo all of this, man. Probably gonna have to redo the whole 4-link setup. I'll probably just I'm gonna have to chop it. I'm gonna have to chop all this out, and then if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna just go full TCI setup in the rear. Damn. Yeah, but anywho, I guess we'll just continue with some other stuff. So these right here, I had these side skirts come in. Y'all know me, man. I like putting kits on everything, so it's not nothing crazy aggressive. I think it's just gonna help add with a little bit of to it. So you'll have like the little side skirts that go all the way down, and then there's like a little piece that mounts right here to the rear lower quarter. So I just want to add something to it. You guys seen it has the front lip, and it just feels like it's kind of naked. So if you know me, you know obviously I love wide body kits and kits on everything. So yeah, we're gonna try it. Old school's no different. That's just gonna get, you know, some modifying also. Alright, here are a little side skirts right here, and then we got the little rear add-on pieces right here. I mean, these gonna go like something like this, something like that. It's kind of a little funky because I got the wide body, so it will have to get modified a little bit, but y'all get the idea. Let me throw this on, and then I'll be back with y'all. Matter of fact, let me do a quick little walk around so y'all can see how it is without the side skirts. You see, we got the little front lip and everything on there. My headlight cover flew off, but there you go. A little look. Alright, there it is. I think this actually looks stupid good. So you can see where the lip line is, high rolls. Now the side skirts, the lip, everything matches up. Before it looks like it had a low hanging front and a high side, which was kind of bothering me. And these aren't super aggressive, they're literally just flat. So it's almost like a, yeah, I guess you could say 2.5-inch extension, but it looks really good. I'm digging it. Fitment on the parts fit good. Right here, this fender is pushed inward. That's why the door always catches, so still need to pull that out, but we'll address that when it goes to the body shop. And then you can see the rear little add-on follows the body line super good. I think it's a nice little touch. Something different, man. Something a little different from all the stock 6.4s, plus it already has the wide body, so, you know, we're gonna make this thing look aggressive, especially when the fitment's all done. It's gonna look pretty sick. Definitely, I like it. And let me know what y'all think. Fucking with it or what? Alright, so since I'm done with the 6.4, I'm about to be moving this thing right here where the C6 is. That way I can get the turbo coupe out. And I'm about to be going to the tire shop right now. I'll be taking this thing to go get some new tires, because tomorrow I'm supposed to be having a run in. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be the first time I think we're actually taking this out for a little bit of racing. But I need to get my tires swapped. You seen I did that track takeover event with these tires, and these were brand spanking new when they got on here, but you can see they're done. When I was driving home, just getting on it, this thing was spinning all over the place. Like, yeah, so I got a fresh set of tires in there. Jeez. All the Mustangs in the driveway. Got this thing out looking like Mustang week, you know what I'm saying? 3 Mustangs now. Man, it's gonna be 4 Mustangs when my GC500 get here. Alright, man, let's get ready to head to the tire shop. Today sucks, man. I thought today was gonna be like a day of, you know, getting something done on the 6.4, and here it is turning into a day of errands and boring ass filler video. But tomorrow we're gonna have some action. Tomorrow we're gonna have some runs going on. So, man, I'm sorry about that, man. You know, every day you don't get to put out good content. But, you know, for the people that are still here rocking with me on my little journey, I appreciate y'all. Y'all the MVPs. Sorry today wasn't more interesting and fun.
They're gonna be looking at you with fire.
Alright, so we just getting here to the tire shop. I just pulled the rears off, jacked it up. Seems like they're hella busy, so I just went ahead and knocked it and everything off for them. So tire's sitting over there. They're gonna be ready to swap it. Showing OG some OG wants to check it out, so you know he's trying to sell the cologne and all the little shit, but get this all done, then we'll be back on the streets. Tomorrow should be fun though. Fresh set of 285s. You can see same brand. These things hook up pretty good. They're sticky, but these ones just got, man, that asphalt over there at Sac Raceway where we're doing the burnouts and shit is just hella toe up. Just cheese grated my shit. That was like one lap, one run in, shit started chunking. Alright, y'all, just getting home, so we're about to be wrapping this up. One last look at the 6.4. Let your boy know if you feeling the skirts in this new little setup. But yeah, new tires all mounted up. So we are good to go for tomorrow's runs. Sorry today wasn't as entertaining or as fun as I wanted it to be. Things didn't go as planned, but you know, we always got next time. So if you're still here, man, thank y'all for stay tuning, rocking with your boy, and chilling with me, man. So until next time, hopefully next time we have a better day, bro. Sorry about that. I feel like a Naruto filler episode, man. I don't feel like we got really shit done. Why did my garage open back up?